Welcome back to the mini series all about how to start a drone business, part 2. This video we're covering another question we get asked all the time, and that is, do I need a drone license? Now, you may think that this is a no-brainer, but you need to ask yourself a couple of things first. Do you want to get into drones as a hobby, part-time, full-time? Do you want to do it freelancing? Do you want to start a company, or just an extension of your service offering for your existing business? Now, in some countries and aviation laws, you might not actually need a license to fly for commercial gain. So for example, in Australia, under our aviation authority, you can actually fly for commercial gain without having a full drone license. Right, that's crazy, believe it or not, but, and there is a big but, you will need to fly under fairly restrictive conditions. So not at night, not near airports, not within 30 meters of people, not above people, not above main roads, buildings, large cities, and some councils may not permit you to fly unless they see that you have a full license. However, if your business is based, let's say, in a regional town, you're using a Mavic 2 Pro and you're shooting for real estate, part-time, you might not need to pay thousands and thousands of dollars for a license. Now, if you want to focus on the industrial applications like surveying, roof solar inspections, you want to get into the mining and oil and gas industry, I would most definitely recommend getting your license. If you don't, you won't stand a chance next to someone that already has one. With a license, you not only will get a nationally recognized qualification, but you will also have more opportunities open up to you, like working with councils or submitting permits to fly. You'll also have the knowledge to read aviation maps, be able to talk to towers, aviators, you'll be able to get insurance, the list goes on. Just have a think about where you want to scale your business to and the clients that you want to get, then decide if a license is what you need to achieve this. I'm seeing hundreds of people rush to get their license, their REPL, their REOC, their AROC, only to carry out maybe one job every couple of months, or if they're doing work in a regional city. So have a think about that. Now, if you get your license, what's equally as important is getting knowledge and experience. There's no point having a license if you don't know how to carry out a job and deliver it. Put money in your education, educate yourself. We have a ton of great resources and courses on DMA, so go check that out. Well, that's it for the mini series, guys, on starting your drone business part 2. We cover this plus more of your questions answered in our online courses at dronemasterclassacademy.com, the #1 hub for drone professionals. It's packed with practical hands-on courses and resources to get your drone business off the ground. So head over there, go check it out. I'll see you guys in the next one.